Once again, welcome back to the Star and Delta channel. Today is our lecture topic about what is the corona effect, intensity of the corona effect, why hissing sound produced and hissing sound depends on several factors. The corona effect in transmission lines refers to the phenomenon where the surrounding air becomes ionized due to the presence of a strong electric field around the conductors. This typically occurs in high-voltage transmission lines carrying electrical power over long distances. When the voltage on the transmission line is sufficiently high, the electric field can ionize the air molecules, causing them to lose electrons and become charged ions. When the electric field intensity exceeds a certain threshold, it causes the air to break down and conduct electricity. This breakdown of air creates a faint, luminous glow around the conductors, which is visible in low-light conditions, especially at night. The luminous glow is sometimes referred to as the corona discharge, and it gives the transmission line a bluish or violet hue. In addition to the visible glow, the corona effect also produces an audible sound, often described as a hissing, crackling, or buzzing noise. This sound is commonly known as corona noise or corona hissing sound. The sound is a result of the rapid movement of charged ions and electrons in the ionized air as they recombine and neutralize. The ionization and recombination processes create vibrations in the air, producing the characteristic audible hissing sound. The intensity of the corona effect and the associated hissing sound depend on several factors, including voltage level. Higher voltages lead to stronger electric fields and more pronounced corona effects. Conductor geometry. The shape and arrangement of the conductors can influence the electric field distribution and corona effect. Atmospheric conditions. Humidity, temperature, and air pressure can affect the corona discharge and the sound it produces. Distance between conductors. The spacing between conductors affects the electric field intensity and the likelihood of corona discharge. While the corona effect itself is not harmful to the transmission line, excessive corona discharge can lead to various issues, such as energy loss. The ionization of air and the resulting corona discharge cause power losses, reducing the efficiency of the transmission line. Radio interference. The corona noise generated by the discharge can interfere with radio and communication signals, causing disturbances and affecting signal quality. Ozone production. Corona discharge produces ozone, O3, a reactive gas that can be harmful to the environment and human health when present in high concentration. Equipment damage. Prolonged corona discharge can cause damage to the transmission line's insulators and other components due to the intense electrical stress. Transmission line engineers and operators take measures to mitigate the corona effect and minimize its negative impacts. These measures may include using specially designed conductors with smooth surfaces, optimizing the spacing between conductors, and selecting suitable insulation materials for the transmission line to reduce the corona effect and associated hissing sound. In the end, I must say, if you learned from my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video because your support is build up my confidence.